Now we're changing cartridges of 4-stage reverse osmosis. To change cartridges, there is two isolating valves, which is one of them here. This black lever, it could be silver, could be blue, just before this pressure limiting valve. That's on, that's off. When this handle is in line with tube, it's on. When it's away from the tube, it's off. Same as pressure tank. There's an isolating valve here, in line with tube, it's on. Turn it right, away from the tube, it's off. So to change cartridges, we need to turn off the main and we need to turn off the tank. Once we do that, then open this tab to release pressure. The water should stop completely. That's what happened, because main and the tank is off. Once we do that, the tubes should be long enough for you to move it out of the cupboard, just like that. If it reaches to the sink, you can unscrew them like this. Just basically twist them to the left. And pop out. Once they pop out, grab the box and unpack the new cartridges. Then one by one back. When you're facing the ticket, won't go in. There's a gap there. Twist it back a bit, left, will go in. Then twist it right, clicks it. That's in. That's number 4. They are numbered and color coded. And then membrane. Same way. Goes in, clicks it. Then number 2. Cartridge change process is done. Just clean all the excess water on the cartridges. After we're done here, now the side valves, usual normal production for the water, right side should be on top of number 4 cartridge. Left side should be off, or vertical. Right side horizontal. But when we're flushing these 4 cartridges, the 3 cartridges, 1, 2, and number 4, put this one exactly opposite. Turn this one off and open this one anti-clockwise. And put this main on. When we put the main on, that's off, that's on. Water will go directly from number 1, 2, and 4. Water will be running fast, just like that. If we don't change the membrane, I'm not changing membrane, let it run like this about 7 to 10 minutes. And then put this one back. After 10 minutes, put this one back to normal position. This one, close it. Water will start trickling. Trickling, that means now it's going through to the membrane as well. Before it was only flushing 1, 2, and 4. Bypassing the membrane. Now it's going through to the whole 4 of them. If you don't need to change a membrane, then you can open this tank and start using your own water. But if you need to change membrane as well, after 10 minutes, when you put this one in normal position, wait another extra 20 to 30 minutes. If we keep this one closed, because membrane need to be flushed as well, membrane, we can't flush it fast. That's how fast producing water. That's how fast we'll flush the membrane. And leave like this for about 20 to 30 minutes. Water will be trickling. And then after 20 to 30 minutes, all we need to do, just basically close that and open the tank and start using your old water. That's it.